Hi, so I'm back with another presentation regarding leadership and management. The intention of this presentation is to provide background knowledge to the discipline of management, to discuss the significance of management in achieving organizational objectives efficiently and effectively, and to facilitate understanding regarding the meaning, process, skills, and functions of management. So let's differentiate leadership from management. In its essence, management consists of controlling a group or a set of entities to accomplish a goal, while leadership refers to an individual's ability to influence, motivate, and enable others to contribute toward organizational success. Influence and inspiration separate leaders from managers, and not power and control. Here are the basic functions of management: planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. The first function of management is planning. They said that a work that is well planned is almost half done. The plan must include our vision, mission, and purpose. In the planning stage, we also set our goals, which should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Plans can be strategic or operational. There are several tools that can help us in the planning stage. So here is an example. In front of you is a Payoff Matrix, which is a tool that will help us compare several alternatives based on several criterias, on selected criterias. So here we are comparing alternatives based on their impact or effectiveness against the effort or the number of resources that we need to use. So based on those criterias, you will be able to decide and have a better decision on whether or not you're going to push forward in doing a specific solution or specific intervention. The second function of management is organize. The basic definition of organizing is determining what needs to be done, how it will be done, and who is to do it. In organizing, we can reduce the downtime by reducing the 8 wastes. Process waste can be in the form of defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilization of talent, transportation, inventory, motion, or extra processing. Another tool that we can use in organizing our work is the priority matrix. So this tool asks us on how important and how urgent the task is. So for example, the task on hand is high importance and high urgency. That task should be done first. And if the task is high importance but not as urgent, that's the thing that we should do next. And if the task is of low importance but it is urgent, we can do it later, but still the task is important. And if the task is low important and low urgency, it may be an option to do it. Another principle that can help you organize your task is the Pareto principle. According to this principle, 80% of your outcomes come from 20% of your input. Another tool that can help us organize our work is the Pareto principle, which states that 80% of your outcome comes from 20% of your inputs. The third function of management is directing. Directing involves influencing individuals to achieve desired results. It is concerned with influencing, guiding, supervising, and motivating employees to perform efficiently. Based on literature, there are 5 levels of leadership. The first level is leadership by position, where people follow you because they believe they have to. The second level of leadership is leadership by permission, which states that people follow you because they want to. The third level is leadership by production. It describes the leadership scenario as people following because of what the leader has done for the organization. The fourth level of leadership is people development, wherein people follow the leader because of what they have done for the people. And the fifth or the highest form of leadership is leadership by respect, wherein people follow the leader because of who they are and what they represent. There are also several leadership styles. There are autocratic leaders, democratic leaders, task-oriented ones, service-oriented leaders, relationship-oriented, bureaucratic, laissez-faire, or charismatic. And there are a lot more styles of leadership available at hand. Another component of leadership is motivation. So understand how employees are motivated and how leaders are motivated as well. There are several types of motivation. It can be divided as positive or negative, or intrinsic or extrinsic. The fourth function of management is controlling. The controlling function verifies that all allotted tasks are being performed on time. Process of controlling include establishing performance standards, measuring actual performance, and comparing actual performance with standards, and taking corrective action. Control can be feed-forward, concurrent, or feedback. In summary, leadership and management is vital in organizational success. There are several tasks in leadership and management, however, we have discussed in this presentation the most important ones like planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. I hope you have learned from this presentation. Thank you.